it up. She sucking my dick till she throw it up. I caught her on cam, she my only fan, but I'm only here for the weekend. If I tell you I love you, I mean it. I haven't felt that in a minute. I fell in love with the digits. She fell in love with the feeling. Oh my God.
Bag. Yo, what's good, y'all? So my name is Vic. I'm finna just do a quick introduction of me since it is my first video. But I'm an 18-year-old entrepreneur. Last year when I was 17, I did 7 figures in the year of 2023. So I'm finna just take y'all with me on a day in a life, basically. Every video I'm finna show y'all what I'm wearing. So I got some just regular cargos I thrifted yesterday. Got black hats on. And then for the shirt, I don't know if you can see, but I got my brand shirt on. Got this pretty crazy piece. Yeah, I can see it. Ain't really focusing, but yeah. And then for the watch, I got AP on. But yeah, so I'm finna just take y'all day in the life of me for real. You guys might think I'm flexing this video. I'm not. It's just for motivational purposes, really. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy watching the video. Let's get to it. Every day on school days, I'm actually in school. I'm a senior in high school. I got 3 weeks left, so I'm gonna show y'all some clips inside school, just people wearing my brand, and then some shit I do at school. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me there. When I get back, I got a quick meeting at 3, and then after that we're gonna have to go do some brand stuff. I'll bring y'all with me, and then I'm probably gonna go do show you some other stuff. So yeah, today is I got fucked in taxes, so I'm finna have to get checks from the bank. As y'all can see, I'm right here, but I'm finna have to get checks, and I'm gonna pay them before I go to school. So I just dropped off my taxes and shit. I got a receipt right here. RIP to fucking 70K. But yeah, so better go to school and shit. I'm gonna update y'all after school.
I step in the room, I hide my face. I know they know my name. Behind they see my stage. I cannot show my pain. She give it up. She sucking my dick till she throw it up. I caught her on cam, she my only fan, but I'm only here for the weekend. If I tell you I love you, I mean it. I haven't felt that in a minute. I fell in love with the
Shit, it's sort of a chill day. I'm finna we're going to the city actually to pick up some money from this dog guy I'm invested into. So yeah, if y'all got any video ideas for me, make sure to comment down below, cause I'm trying to get started in this YouTube shit for real. I ain't got much ideas besides like day in life while I'm doing this shit. Yo, what's good, y'all? I just sat down in my chair. I just got home from school and shit. But I'm about to do this meeting with my marketing agency. I'll just keep you updated with what I'm doing today. As you can see, my shit literally just started up. I got a pretty wild setup. My computer, I fucking built that shit, and that shit is dog doo-doo, I ain't gonna lie. I have some dog investments, about like 150K in dog investments. I'm pretty sure we're going to pick up some money and then ship out some clothing brand orders, because I don't know if I told y'all yet, but I have a clothing brand. I just dropped it March 17th. The brand name is Prospera brand on Instagram. If y'all want to go check it out, I'm gonna link it in the bio of this video. But yeah, I'm waiting for the call from the marketing agency. Alright, I'm walking into my storage right now, but I'm about to do some orders. I'm gonna show y'all the process of it. But here's what I am working with. Got these custom bags. And then we got these motherfucking, we got the stickers. We got thank you cards. And just regular business cards. I got like the last 2 packages. I'm finna just put them in my shit jar. Yeah, so yeah, we're about to just fucking gotta go do this dog deal and ship these orders out. I'm trying to cop for my brand, prosperabrand.com. The next thing we gotta do is we better go on like an hour road trip for this dog deal. I'm gonna bring y'all with us. But alright, we just pulled up to a location to take some photos and shit. But I'm growing my personal brand on Instagram. I'm gonna leave the link below. Y'all could go like my post, follow me, do what you wanna do. But yeah.
Business 2024, I'm making a difference. Fuck everybody who said I won't make it. She said I'm hot, but I'm cold. I'm in the back of
Alright, we just put up to my boy's crib. I'm gonna show y'all the crazy ass dogs he got. I just invested like 100K in him. Let me show y'all.
Come here.
Did you just get this one? We've been having this one?
He came from China.
Really? This one crazy as hell. Thing's crazy as hell.
No, it's actually good.
Gonna take your ass home. Bro, that's what my dog be doing, the Frenchie. I showed you a video, right?
Bro, watch that.
Alright, so we're about to leave this dog house, you know what I'm saying? I showed you all the clips of them crazy ass dogs. Bag. We just collected a bag in that bitch, but this is gonna be my first video. Let me know what y'all think of it. I'm gonna for sure start dropping more and more better shit. But alright, so I just got back to the crib, but it was just a quick recap of my day as an 18-year-old entrepreneur. I'm invested into a lot of things. This is just a quick view of what I did this day, which was today. But yeah, so I got like the 5,000. I'm finna show you. I'm finna count it just for proof. But in the comment section, I know this isn't the best video, but I'm gonna for sure be making better quality content and all that. But yeah, work. Y'all seen One Piece? It was fun. 49. All hundreds. No ones. Yeah, this is it of the vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe and give me suggestions in the comments.
change. I know everybody's fake. All I want is love.